Hey, I'm Anna, and together with my husband Oleg, we have traveled throughout the whole of Canada. We have visited Niagara, Toronto, Calgary, Banff and Jasper National Parks, Whistler and Vancouver. We have seen marvelous lakes, mountains and wildlife, cute little villages and big cities. Sometimes we have been amazed by the beauty of this country and sometimes not so pleasantly surprised. We have experienced 30 degrees Celsius temperature drops in just a few days this summer. We traveled by plane and by car, stayed in hotels and tried to eat good quality food as much as it was possible. And now we're here to show you everything. Let's discover Canada together. Good morning from Niagara-on-the-Lake. We are having our morning coffee in the same place we used to have coffee yesterday. It's by Zach's Coffee here. It's very delicious one. I had cappuccino yesterday. Today we are having flat white and I think I'm preferring the cappuccino way more. So the plan for today is to go to the Niagara Falls. We have booked the boat tour. I'm very excited about this experience. I'm going to finish my coffee and we're going to drive straight to Niagara Falls. I'm taking you with me. I think that's going to be really fun. Welcome to Niagara Falls. We've arrived here 5 minutes ago. We already had our tickets booked online, so coming here to the boat took us exactly 1 minute. We're going to get these cute red raincoats right now and board the ship, and we're going to sail right next to the Niagara Falls. That's going to be really exciting. Let's go. We are fresh and dry after our boat tour to the Niagara Falls. It was an unforgettable experience. It was so worth it. It was amazing. It was even better than I expected. First, I have to say that if you're going for a boat tour like this, you need to be prepared that you're going to be really wet and you need to take clothes to change afterwards. I had to change my hoodie because the sleeves here were wet, but here on the top, the raincoat that they give you really protects you, and then you get the down of your jeans wet, and all of your sneakers are going to be soaking wet, so it's really important to bring dry shoes for yourself to change after your boat ride. But all in all, the experience is really fun. We were on the top deck of this boat, and we got the most of all of the drops from the waterfall, which was really fun. You know, we couldn't film with our camera out there because it would be destroyed then. We filmed with our iPhones a little bit, but generally the circumstances there are not for filming because there is so much water and wind. You just need to be there in the moment, enjoy the experience and not film, because when you are right next to the waterfall you get the most of the water in your face, and that's really so much fun. I think the best timing to take a picture is right when you get on the boat, when you are in your raincoat and you are still dry and you are looking your best, but you have the best views of the waterfalls. And generally I really recommend this experience of taking a boat to see the Niagara Falls. You get a raincoat as a souvenir to keep, and it's a really fun activity, and I think buying a ticket beforehand online is a great idea as well. Right now we're going to walk here next to the waterfalls just to take a few more pictures, maybe buy some souvenirs, and then we will head to our next adventure here in Canada. Walk from the Niagara Falls cruise spot here to the place which is called Table Rock Welcome Center, because here you have the view on the main waterfall and you can see exactly how the water falls down, and it's just an amazing feeling to be here and see this. And also I wanted to say, I would say it was about 10 years ago, there was a TV show which was called Wonderfalls, and it was a really short comedy TV show. It had one season about a girl who worked in a souvenir shop on Niagara Falls. It was a really fun one, and I get really good memories of it when I'm here. She used to work in the building which is right here in the Table Rock Welcome Center, and it's really nice to remember the moments of the show in here.